Okay guys, if you're going to decoration your room, how will you choose your flooring material? In my right hand, this one is our fire resistant panel. And in my left hand, this one is normal panels. Okay, right now let me check how will it happen. Okay, we use the fire and in 10 seconds what will be happening. Let's go. Okay, let's check it. Okay, and this one is the fire resistant panels. Okay, let's check it in 10 seconds. Okay. Wow, it's really clear. You can compare different sides. It's totally different. Everyone, you must know how to choose panels right now.